Here's 10 websites that will cure your boredom as fast as possible. Let's not make you any more bored, so with that, let's begin. First up is factslides.com. It's a surprisingly good website for passing your time if you're someone who likes quick facts or random bits of information one after another that doesn't happen to be TikTok. You can also sort these slideshows by category as well, which I find particularly useful in order to head straight to the tech section. But the number of categories on this website is crazy, so there's bound to be something that you're interested in. So yeah, this will easily pass your time. And though there is a source to every fact on every slideshow, it's also a common fact that 80% of all statistics are false, including this one I guess. The more you know. Next up is hackertyper.com. If you ever wanted to know what it's like to be a hacker like you see in the movies, then check out this site. If you start typing once you load the page, your screen will begin to display some crazy abomination of code and random characters regardless of which key you press. I think this is definitely one of those that you try out in front of your friends or someone a little less tech savvy and pretend like you know everything. Something a little more challenging for your mind though is play2048.com. On this website, you basically use your arrow keys to double the numbers and reach 2048. If you like puzzles, then I guess this one's for you. What's also cool though is first person Tetris. Yes, I did say that right. On this website, you play Tetris, but it's in first person. So when you need to rotate a piece, you move your entire perspective instead. It's pretty weird, but you get used to it. I would though challenge you to play this in crisis mode, which is a super zoomed in version. Following on from this is Neave.com. This website has a few different cool games that you can play all on one site. They're not all games though, as some of them are just interesting, such as this weather one or this other hallucination one. Check it out, this will definitely kill some time. What's also interesting is Thisissand.com. Here you can just mindlessly drop sand into a glass box and create some landscapes. You can change the colour of the sand from this picker too, and then choose how much sand goes where depending on where you click. This might be a bit basic, but you might end up creating something half decent, as you can see from some of these examples. Talking of drawing, check out the QuickDraw with Google.com if sand is not your thing. On this website, you'll be given something to draw in 20 seconds, and an AI, like with most things nowadays, will try and guess what you draw. It will keep guessing as you draw, and can provide some weird guesses to say the least. Try it out to get 6 in a row to beat the game. What can also pass time is monkeytype.com. If you need to improve your typing speed, don't go on all these other typing websites that are riddled with ads and just look outdated. Use this website if you aren't already. This is a clean, modern typing speed test that can help you improve your typing speed over time. There are absolutely loads of options in here, so you really need to have a play around with this one yourself, but I'm sure you get the general idea. Not improving your typing speed is one of those common mistakes that people make when using their PCs. I mean, I did a video on common mistakes that people make when using their PCs not too long ago, so feel free to check that one out if you're interested. Now if music is more your thing, then consider going to artsandculture.google.com, which could pass some time in itself, but search for Blob Opera in the search field. This will then load these blobs, allowing you to control them and make them sing different pitch sounds. If you turn up your volume when you play this, you can really annoy everyone around you. Finally, we have Chrome Dino, which can be found at this address. Does this need any explaining at this point? Talking of Chrome, click the pop-out banner at the top of your screen right now to see a video I did on how to improve your Chrome experience if you're still bored. But otherwise, those are 10 websites to cure your boredom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free by the way.